Hey guys, welcome to This Explainer. Today we're exploring ALU and Mully's wild rags to riches story.
Seriously, how does a struggling street cobbler rocket to a 5,000 core net worth? Let's see. It started in grinding poverty. Villagers like Mirchi and Crore ruthlessly bullied poor ALU every single day. But then, ALU fixed a broken slipper for a sweet girl named Mully. Boom, instant connection. So ALU confessed his love. Mully's response? She brutally rejected him, calling him a worthless street beggar. Ouch.
Talk about a heartbreaking clash. ALU offered pure love, but Mully slammed the door on their class divide.
Ever channeled pure heartbreak into hustle? That total humiliation fueled ALU's fire to pack up and leave. In the city, he joined a soap factory. The owners, Kila and Gahar, launched a crazy 30-day CEO challenge. Driven by that rejection, ALU's absolute obsession inspired the whole team. They literally doubled profits in month 2. Seeing this massive success, the owners didn't hesitate. They named ALU the brand new CEO on the spot. 30 days to CEO, guys, and within just 6 months, he built it into a total national giant. For totally transforming the business, they handed ALU a sweet 5% equity stake. Get this, that 5%, it translated to a mind-blowing 5,000 crore net worth. Unbelievable. Loaded with cash and a flashy new corporate identity, ALU finally marched right back to his village. First order of business, tracking down Mully. He was totally ready to confront her about that brutal betrayal. But wait, plot twist. Her friend Shimli spilled the tea. Mully's harsh rejection was actually a massive, calculated sacrifice. Yup, Mully was deeply in love with him. She acted heartless purely to protect and aggressively trigger his ambition. Realizing she was the secret engine behind his whole success, ALU forgave Mully. A perfectly happy reunion. Oh, and her super strict dad, seeing ALU's new 5,000 core flex, he happily blessed the marriage. Meanwhile, those awful bullies who mocked ALU's poverty, he swiftly and satisfyingly kicked them straight to the curb. So it really makes you wonder, is every painful betrayal actually a bad thing, or just the ultimate redirection?